Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Acura Integra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, lane keeping assist, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.